My name is Eloy Castro, and I am the training coordinator at the Ever Forward Club. And I'm so excited to share with you a little bit about our Mailing Mask Movement digital tool for educators. And what I'm going to do is walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to sign up, create your account, and be able to use this platform for your students so that they can create their own masks. And then so the system can create this amazing word cloud that you can use in your classrooms for discussion and hopefully connection through this activity. The first thing you'll do is, as you see on my screen here, you'll type in mailingmask.org at the top of a blank web browser. Once you click there, you're going to come down to this button on the bottom left that says sign up. Once you click sign up, it'll take you to our form where you'll enter your information. I'm going to start just entering my information here. You'll start entering your information. I want to just walk you through every step so that you see everything I'm doing. So you'll enter your name, your email, password. You can enter a phone number. Here you'll select what kind of group you're supporting. It could be elementary, middle, high school. If you're a corporate team or another kind of team group, feel free to just select that. And then you'll enter how many people participate in your classroom or groups. You'll enter your name here for the sake of just an example. We're just doing it for test group 3. And you'll select if you're public, district, independent, charter, school, or other. You'll enter your location, address, zip, maybe how you heard about us, a friend, and then if you would like to receive Mailing Mask Movement email updates. So if you click yes, then you'll click submit. Once that loads, give it just a few seconds. Perfect. I'm going to save that. Then you'll be taken to this other page where you'll have an opportunity to sign in. You'll get a thank you message here, and then what you'll be prompted to do is click sign in, and then you'll use the information you entered in the previous form to register. Use the email and password you created. You'll enter it here. Once you sign in, this is where you will see your dashboard. You'll see different things here. This button will take you to the mask gallery, which is essentially all of the masks that had submitted by students, adults, people all around the world. But when you go to your main dashboard, the most important thing to know is that up here on the top right corner, you'll have a place where it says My Codes, Profile, Change Password, and Sign Out. Profile essentially just gives you the opportunity to update any information you entered in that first form if you need to. If not necessary, oops, did not mean to click back on that. And then Change Password, pretty self-explanatory. And then My Codes is what's important. So here, say you are a high school teacher, English teacher, and you have 5 different classes, but you want to use a different code for each class so that you can differentiate who's using which group is which, right? So maybe you'll enter first period. You want to know that's your first period English class. You'll click Generate Code. Once you click Generate Code, you'll see here that unique code is created down here at the bottom, 0454. That will be important for you to use when you are giving students instructions on how to create their masks, because they'll need to use that code to enter it before they click submit, which I'll get to here in a moment, so that when those submissions are gathered, all those students in your first period are in the same group. So just make sure that when you're giving these out, each student has the correct code that they need. That is how to sign in to your account. Let me sign out of here so that I can show you something else. So now once you've created that, then you'll have your students, go to mailingmask.org, right? And you'll prompt them to go to this green button here on the right that says Draw Your Mask. If you click Draw Your Mask, you'll see here that students have instructions on how to use the different digital tools to draw here at the top, where they will click submit once they're done. You have 4 steps, on how to complete the mask. This left part of the mask is used to draw their mask, and then the right side is where the words that they enter will be collected. Let's just say, for the sake of this exercise, we're going to move my screen up. There we go. Okay. Say they want to get creative here. They can change colors. If they want to draw their mask green, they can use, here's an eraser, a pencil, and a marker. And I am not the best artist, so please don't judge. So say that this is their mask, right? Actually, let me do this. They draw their mask. And here on the bottom left, they'll be asked to enter 3 qualities and characteristics that they gladly let others see. So I'll say fun, friendly, and happy. And then on the bottom right side, they'll be asked to enter 3 words or characteristics that describe things that they don't let others see. So like saying sad, fearful, fearful, uncertain. Once they've done that, you can see that their drawing is right here on the left, and then the words are here collected at the bottom and on the right side. Once they're done and feel that they're ready to submit, they'll click this Submit Mask button, the green button on the top right, and then they'll be prompted with a few questions. So here they'll select their gender, they'll add in their age, city. Now this is where we talked about their unique code. So make sure that they have this code so that, again, when they're collected, they're grouped together. So you'll, just for the sake of this exercise, show you just a random code. We'll click Submit. And then they'll be asked, do you wish to be a part of this community in the future? If they say yes, they'll be asked to enter their email. If they say no, we won't collect their email. And obviously all their masks will remain anonymous. When you click Confirm, this will then take you to another page. This is now collecting your mask. So now that we've collected your mask, the student's mask, they'll have this one final page where they can go to the gallery, which is the main gallery we looked at earlier, where you can see masks submitted from all over the world. They can click Draw Again if they wanted to click Draw Another Mask. Maybe they want to share something else. And here on the right, you'll see that there's a button to copy the link to share with their community, friends, family, other classmates, and then also some buttons down here to share on their social media as well. So that is the part that the students will do on their end to submit their masks now. Once that's been done, then you, as the educator, can go back to millionmask.org, go to the main page, and instead of clicking Sign Up, this time you're going to click Sign In, because now you've created your account. When you click Sign In, you will enter your email. Here we go. Once you click Sign In, this is where the fun happens. So now that you're on your dashboard, you now see this word cloud. So this is actually been created from your student submissions. Remember the 3 characteristics they don't show people, and then 3 characteristics that they show the world. The more submissions you have, obviously, the more fun this cloud gets, because you start seeing them kind of pile up and create this amazing visual. And then when you scroll down, you'll see the mask submissions here at the bottom for each of your students. Again, they will remain anonymous. It only collects their age, their gender, and their location. And then you can see these right here. Another thing to keep in mind is that up here you can filter your masks. So say you have different English class periods like we talked about. They would say up here, first period, second period, third period. So you can split it up. You can either see them all together or split them up by group so that you all can have a conversation in class or whatever that may be. You can also sort by age, gender, city, and then search any keywords as well here at the top. And then again, lastly, here at the top, you can generate your codes once again, update your profile, change your password, and then sign out from your account. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but hopefully this is a great tool that you all can use with your students in your classrooms or wherever you may work with young people. And yeah, hope you have fun. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.